Welcome, this is Jamb year 2013 government pass question. Question number 37 says, which of the following headed the committee that recommended the suitability of Abuja as a new federal city? Which of the following headed the committee that recommended the suitability of Abuja as a new federal city? Now the question is asking us that which of the justice of federation of federation headed the committee that recommend Abuja as federal capital territory. So option A is Justice Akin Ola Aguda, B Justice Buba Ado, C Justice Atanda Fatai Williams, D Justice Udo Udoma. The justice that championed this recommendation was Justice Akeola Aguda. So option A is correct. Thank you and kindly subscribe for more videos.